Hello, today I will show you how to hide apps on your Android. So let's get started. So first open the Settings app and then type in the search bar Hide Apps. And then tap on it. And here you should find Hide Apps on Home and Apps Screens tab. Here select the apps you want to hide and then tap Done. And now you have hidden multiple apps just like that. And now these apps aren't on the home screen. As you can see, they are hidden. And to unhide them, come back to the same page on the settings and just deselect those apps and then tap Done. And then they should appear on the home screen, just right here. So now you know how to hide and unhide the apps just using the settings. So if you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.